Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Tasteful Texture Stamp Set as well as the Tasteful Background Dies. I used the stamp set on Monday's card, if you would like to go back and check out that video. Okay, so I'm just stamping randomly with this image. I did try it on the other side of the page just in one long line. It didn't look as good. So I'm die cutting these scallops and I'm trying to make sure that it is straight on my card front here. I'm using just a little bit of painter's tape to hold that down. I picked out all of the negative pieces and now I'm putting dimensionals on the back of this card front, and I am trying to hold up the die cut portion as well. Then I've removed my adhesive backing and placed the background under the die cut. It's a fun technique, right? Inked up with smoky slate, stamped off, and now I'm using my blender pen to just wipe off some of the smoky slate. Then I'm going to go in with my Coastal Cabana marker and just color in on the missing petals that I have wiped away, and then I'm going to stamp down. So it's giving me a stamped off image with a couple little Coastal Cabana petals. I've fussy cut that out. So now here's my painter's tape again. This is the reason why I had it out in the first place, because I'm masking off the sentiment just so that it says thanks. Remove that paper, of course. Stamp down on a little strip of paper, and I have fussy cut it out. I felt like fussy cutting this day. You don't have to. I would think that it would look just fine with like a banner piece. So I'm putting dimensionals on the back of my flowers here. I think they're flowers. And placing them just over top of that die cut portion part. Putting the thanks right over top of the die cut portion. And then I'm going to bring in my adhesive dots. Oh, of course I have to put it on my card front, but then I'm going to use my enamel dots to adhere to the center of the flowers. And I always try to use odd numbers, 3, 5, 7. And I felt that there was so much going on in this top portion of, and I put 5 in there, that I wanted to put 2 small ones right on the corner here. And that is my card for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.